Good evening, everybody. Tyler from Trunkali Incoming. Only right now I'm not at Trunkali Incoming. I'm at home in the garage, and I'm doing this video not to show you a vehicle that we have for sale, not to show you a feature in one of the vehicles that we have, but I'm going to show you what we did to that light bar to make it quiet. I'm sure you put one on your Jeep or on your truck, and you hear that noise. Well, that's because the fins, the cooling fins in the back of the light, are vibrating so fast that it makes a frequency. So I am about to show you. And what we did is we took little pieces of foam, and you can see them right there. And I got them situated all across the light bar. And believe it or not, it's been in there for what, a few months now? And they haven't come out. They've stayed there. That rushing wind noise that you get, that's almost gone, and that really is gone too until you're driving faster than you should be. Anyway, if you have a light bar and it's making noise, some pieces of foam, try sticking that in the fins of the light bar and see if it helps. Let me know in the comments below if it worked for you. If it did, happy that I got to help you. Also, if you are Nightlight, and that is the brand of this light, maybe look into using a stiffer material for the cooling fins, or maybe put some vertical braces in there to keep it from vibrating, so that way you could advertise your light as being almost silent at highway speeds. I think that'll help you folks out a little bit. Anyway, that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching, and again, if it helped you out, just leave a comment down below, and have yourself a great night.